A pharmacist has 100 ml of alcohol free hand sanitizer costing rupee 410. Okay, he mixes X ml of 80% alcohol based sanitizer at rupee 500 per liter. Okay, so he has 100 ml costing 410. So 410 per 100 ml. This is rate of this 0% alcohol sanitizer, and he is mixing it with 80%. This is 80% alcohol, and this is 0% alcohol. He is mixing it, and what is the cost of this sanitizer? 500 per liter. If he is selling it for 500 per liter, I am finding, okay, sorry, this 80% alcohol, what is the rate of this? Rupee 500 per liter. So it is selling for 500 per liter. I am finding rate per 100 ml. So it will sell for 50 per 100 ml. Now I am getting the mixture. Now he sells this mixture at rupee 175 per 100 ml. So he is selling this mixture at 175 per 100 ml. Why am I calculating per 100 ml? Because I have to keep the quantity same so that I can compare the cost price and selling prices. So I am taking the prices per 100 ml for these two solutions and this mixture also. Now for selling it for 175 per 100 ml, he earns a profit of 25%. Profit of 25%, it means effective or net cost price of this mixture into profit is 25%. So 5 by 4 becomes 175. If I mix these two and selling 100 ml of these two, I am getting, if I am selling it for 175, I am getting a profit of 125%. So the net effective cost price for this mixture would be net CP. Net CP would be how much? 5, 3, 15, 5, 140. So 140 is the effective cost price when I am mixing this 0% and 80% alcohol. So how much now? Using allegation, I can find out in what ratio these two are mixes so that I am getting the net CP of 140. Now, cost price of this is 50 per 100 ml. Okay, so this is solution 2. Solution 2. Let's just call it solution 2 and let's just call it solution 1. So it is selling for 50 and this is solution 1 and it is selling for rupee 410 and I am getting a net CP of 140. This is 140 net CP. So I from this allegation I am finding the ratio in which ratio of volume in which these two are mixed. So how much is this? 90 and this is 270. So what is the ratio? 1:3. So these must be mixed in the ratio 3:1, and I know how much 0% alcohol has taken. Pharmacist has taken 100 ml of this. So 1 unit is equivalent to 100 ml. So 3 becomes 300 ml. Or I am mixing these two in the ratio 1:3. So I can get how much percentage alcohol I would get in this solution. So using the weighted average concept, percentage I am finding 0% I am mixing with weight of 1 and 80% I am mixing with weight of 3 upon 4. How much would I get? This is 0, this 20, so 60% alcohol. I am getting 60% alcohol. What is asked is find the alcohol percentage in the mixture. So the correct answer is 60%. Option C is correct.